So let's talk about representing the pitch location in relation to the strike zone. Home plate is 17 inches wide, and the strike zone is technically three-dimensional. So even if a ball doesn't break the front plane closest to the pitcher, it could curve into and scrape another edge. For the purposes of our charts and visualizations, we're just going to deal with the 2D plane at the front of the plate. MLB defines the strike zone as the area above home plate, starting at the hollow beneath the batter's kneecap and extending up to the midpoint between the top of his uniform pants, basically his belt buckle, and the top of the shoulders. Technically, since the ball only has to scrape any part of the plate, and since the baseball is charted at its center, you can add another 1.5 inches, the radius of the ball, all the way around. To accommodate balls outside the strike zone, we'll chart a 5 by 4 foot square centered around the zone. Also note that 0, 0 in the PitchFX coordinate system is at the center of the plate at ground level. So X is horizontal, and for a reason I can't explain, the vertical coordinate is labeled Z, where Z is at the plate and values go up from the ground. This means that positive Y is towards the pitcher, but we won't chart anything in that direction. So there you have it. PitchFX locations are reported from the catcher's view. Horizontal location is X, with negative X being the distance in feet to the left of center, and positive X is the distance right of center. Vertical distance is labeled Z, and it represents the number of feet off the ground. Therefore, there can be no negative Z values possible. With that established, let's take a look at the actual MLB data.